The beautiful Lucy has been working very diligently with Jane. Starting off with a sit. Yep, there we go. Okay. Now we're going to try the sniffers game. So basically Jane is putting some treats in the little cups. And it's Lucy's job to find them. Woohoo! That's so great.
Good girl.
Woohoo!
Checking them all out.
Yeah, making sure she hasn't missed any.
One more. Good job, Lucy.
Yay!
Okay, we're gonna do one more.
Okay, one more trick.
Lucy. Lucy, sit. Yes, good girl. Okay. Touch.
Now we're working on a touch,
Yes.
so she's got to just touch Jane's hand.
Do it again.
Once more. Once to finish off.
Sit.